I'll guide you through how to pinpoint the exact, real-time location of your Remitly transfer and find your reference number, whether you are the person sending the funds or the recipient waiting for a payout. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. A common mistake that makes users think their transfer has completely vanished from their Remitly account history page is failing to realize that Remitly's mobile interface segregates transactions based on the destination corridor. If you regularly route money to multiple countries, you must actively toggle your target destination country inside the app settings layout to refresh the active database and populate that specific transfer history card. Before tracking, you must also ensure the verified legal name on your transaction profile matches your identity documents flawlessly to clear real-time automated data validation gates. Mismatched account metadata will instantly flag the system's anti-fraud security tracking filters, reject the transfer layout completely, and place a temporary safety hold on your digital assets. To track your transfer as a sender, open your Remitly app or browser and go to remitly.com, log into your profile, and review your home dashboard card loop. If the specific transfer does not appear, tap your profile icon, change the target country setting to match the recipient's geographic location, and return to the main feed. Click the active transaction card to pull up the complete processing summary ledger and locate the unique alphanumeric string labeled reference number. Tap the copy icon next to this string to share it directly with your recipient, which is absolutely mandatory if they are collecting a physical cash pickup at a retail storefront. If the tracking status does not transition to completed by that exact promised deadline, you are legally entitled to a full transaction fee refund by submitting a quick ticket to customer service. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.